So here's an unusual one for you. This is a Caddy petrol TSI 1.4 automatic, 28,000 miles on a 67 plate, but it's been modified for wheelchair driver access. So that means the wheelchair user can get in with their wheelchair from the back and go all the way to the front in their wheelchair. And it's been very professionally done by JDHC, or a wheelchair or vehicle accessibility specialists. And if we hold this button down here for a long press, the car drops down. So that's the first thing. And then the back opens, and then the ramp will come down. Like so. Now, wheelchair user will come into the back, this chair swivels out the way, and this driver's seat would be removed for such a wheelchair user. And I'll show you there's a latch underneath that seat for the wheelchair to lock in place. Coming in now from the sliding door on the driver's side, down here is a latch, so you'd remove this seat and the wheelchair would come in on this prepared surface, latch into its location so that the wheelchair user can then drive. Now what we've got here is a specially adapted gear stick so that it's easier to access. The steering is super light. That's been adapted as well to make it easier for that person to drive. Today the car's done 28,158,000 miles. It's nothing, is it, really? And again, marks for the person or the company that did the adaptation. With the driver's seat in, of course, if you are not a wheelchair user, you can drive the car normally. Let's just turn that off. Now what we've got here is a lock system, so you have to clear that. It's in park. We're going to start the engine with the key, with the foot on the brake there. Fires up and all the warning lights will go out in a second. In fact, the tailgate's open, the door's open, so that's not going to happen. If you want to go to drive, you just press the button. This is the normal radio, nothing unusual there. Normal AC, obviously modified controls down here. When the wheelchair is in position, you can then put everything away. I think you've got to press and hold, actually. Yeah, there we go. And very neatly, everything gets tucked away and you can drive off. So that's our Caddy Max. It's a TSI Life, which is the trim model, adapted. Now, if you're not a wheelchair user, but you want a nice van, this is pretty much very tempting, I would say, to become a day van or a small camper, if that's what you want. Low mileage, lovely condition. Obviously, that would be something you'd have to do for yourselves. Thanks for watching.